Welcome back to my channel, Learning Spanish with Words. Today we're going to look at the letter G. English words beginning with the letter G converted to Spanish. And you may be surprised to know that so far, in my quest to learn the language, there are quite a lot of letters that are converted from G into the Spanish language, as you will see by listening and watching to this program. Here we go. Green, verde, verde. Grandson, nieto, nieto. Guessing, adivinando, adivinando. Going, yendo, yendo. Grief, pena, pena. Ginger, jengibre, jengibre. Garlic, ajo, ajo. We get conseguimos, conseguimos. And to get is conseguir, conseguir. Granddaughter, nieta, nieta. Gardening, jardineria, jardineria. Grabs, agarra, agarra. Grass, hierba, hierba. Guest, invitado, invitado. Glass, the basic material. Vidrio, vidrio. Grandchildren, nietos, nietos. Great grandchildren, bisnietos, bisnietos. Great grandfather, bisabuelo, bisabuelo. And great grandmother, bisabuela, bisabuela. Ground, suelo, suelo. And finally, gossip, chismea, chismea. And that concludes G for the moment. Keep watching and listening to the channel, because we'll be coming back with some more G's in the future. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening. Please remember to subscribe to Learning Spanish with Words. Hasta luego, see you later.